We're here at the Telegraph Channing Garage in Berkeley, California. We got two very disgusting ThyssenKrupp elevators here. Very nasty. The indicator looks like it's dead. Yep. Wow. Blinded by the light.
Hiss, hiss.
Slam. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators. Or actually, these are Westinghouse elevators modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Oh my god, listen to that counterweight. We're stopping at, I don't know, because the indicator's dead. You going down?
Yes, thanks.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, the other one. Yeah, see, these are Westinghouse elevators. Look at that door. Wow. Can you hit 6 decibels? This one has a working key. Yeah, these are Westinghouse elevators. Probably that had AE. GAL. Damn. Look at that indicator. Ooh.
Oh my god.
One, please. Wow, look at all the stickers on there.
Fly came in.
Something's flat. Yeah, those doors are definitely original Westie doors.